Most salon and barbershop booking platforms charge 10 to 30% on every appointment. That's a commission on clients you spent years building. This is Pronto. It's free, open source, and runs on your own server. POS, CRM, booking calendar, inventory, and automated notifications via Telegram, WhatsApp, Viber, and email, all in one Docker command. Let me show you. The full source code is on GitHub under the MIT license. You own everything, modify it, extend it, white label it. No vendor lock-in. The stack is next.js14, Supabase for the database and auth, and Docker Compose for deployment. Let's install it. Docker and a Supabase project, both free. You copy the env example file, fill in your Supabase URL and a non-key, 2 values. That's the only configuration, one command. The migration runner sets up all 18 database tables automatically. Then the app starts. No manual SQL, no post-install steps. Done. Let's set up a business. The slug becomes your public booking URL. Add your services and staff. A salon can add as many as needed. No limits on the self-hosted version. This is what your client sees. No app to download, no account to create, name and phone number. That's it. No registration, no password, no friction. The moment they hit confirm, notifications fire automatically. Booking confirmation, instant via Telegram. Pronto also sends a reminder 24 hours before, another 1 hour before, and a thank you message 2 hours after the visit. Same for WhatsApp, Viber, and email. Each client gets notified on whatever channel they use. POS, complete a sale in 3 clicks. Works fully offline as a progressive web app. No internet needed at checkout. Every client automatically lands in CRM. Full history, visits, spending, notes, birthday, your data, on your server. Pronto is free and open source under the MIT license. Self-host with Docker. Link in the description. Or try the cloud version at trypronto.app. Free tier available, no credit card. If this was useful, a GitHub star helps a lot. Thanks for watching.